Menus and call to action CTA buttons are essential elements for guiding users through your website and helping them quickly find information. In a previous lesson, we added a website header from the block library. This header includes a spot for a logo, a menu, and a button. This header block is site-wide, meaning it appears on all website pages by default, but you can disable it for specific pages. If you want to create a header block from scratch, add a menu widget, enable the logo option, and add a button. Adjust the spacing between these elements to suit your design. In the mobile website version, the button will appear as a part of the menu icon in the header by default. In desktop blocks, it will be displayed as a separate element. If you don't need this button, you can just use the menu widget without adding the button to the header. Now let's customize the header elements. Start by replacing the template image with your logo, then move on to editing the menu items. Following our design in Figma, we'll add 4 main menu items. To edit any menu item, click the pencil icon and type the new name. You can link it to a specific page, an external resource, an email address, a phone number, or an anchor linking to another section of your website. An anchor links to a block ID, which you can find in the settings. To make navigation easier, customize the ID and add it as an anchor in your menu. This way, clicking a menu item will take the user directly to the specified website section. You can duplicate menu items, delete them, or add sub-items, for example, to link to different language versions of your website. For the link menu type, you can set whether they open in a new window or the same one. Submenus can be customized with the same options as main items. You can also rearrange, add, or hide items as needed. To customize your menu's display style, go to Menu Styles. Choose if items should display horizontally or vertically, set indents, and adjust font size. You can also choose font styling bold or italic, capitalization, and color. Select a hover effect, such as transparency, text color change, or underlining, and specify line thickness, style, and color. For hover animations, you can apply options like moving up, shaking, or scaling. Customize the submenu's text style and background colors. Now let's move on to button settings in the header. Like the menu settings, you can rename any button and select its type link, phone, email, or anchor, and add the corresponding data. For instance, let's set an anchor linking to the contact form. Button styles pull from the general page settings by default primary and secondary styles. However, you can create custom styles for individual buttons. You can also choose the button size, small, medium, or large. Turn on the additional effect toggle to add a hover animation and effect when users hover over your button. Define the visitor action that triggers this effect in the condition field. Then select the animation effect for that action. If Analytics is enabled, you'll also see options for sending goals to Google Analytics and Metapixel events. Each button has a unique ID, which you can use to apply scripts and styles, set pop-ups, and track events. To edit an ID, click the pencil icon. If you're using a separate button widget, additional customization is available. Just as in the header, you can add buttons, reorder them, rename them, and change the button type. In the widget settings, you can adjust the button's width. Choose from auto, full container width, or fixed size, with manual adjustments available if needed. You can also position your button within a section or block. Align it left, center, or right. Set different widget styles for desktop and mobile, and add scrolling animations. Now let's move on to customizing our website header. Hover over the header and click the row icon on the left. Here you'll find options to edit, add a row, move up or down, or delete. You can also customize each row individually. Select Edit and choose settings like background color, background image, inner padding, column spacing, and content alignment. You can edit the widgets added to your template or expand the header's features by adding new widgets. Hover over any widget and click Add Widget. Besides the logo, menu, and button, you can also add widgets like text, payment, chatbots, socials, and login for online courses. On the right side of your header, click the pencil icon to access more customization options, including background color or background image, full screen width, pin to the top of the site if no other element is pinned. If your header has multiple rows, you can add a divider between them. To preview your header's look on mobile, select Mobile View. In the View section, you can adjust mobile-specific settings. Here, you can turn off the option to hide header elements behind an icon and customize background color, text color, icon position, internal padding, and content alignment for the mobile view. The content section displays all widgets that are currently in your website header. To hide a widget from mobile view, simply uncheck the box next to the widget you want to hide.